Tropical paradise. Best location: this 3-bedroom, 2-bath. At the end of a quiet cul-de-sac with your private long driveway, and spacious 2-car garage with private courtyard. The kitchen has lots of cabinet space, along with a convenient pantry and space for a breakfast.area. The back sliding glass door opens to the back patio courtyard looking over lush landscaping. Great place to relax anytime. Featuring a spectacular living and dining area with vaulted ceilings offering much space to additional living areas. Beautiful windows surround this property with scenic views from all angles. Maintenance-free community.includes insurance, cable TV, internet, sewer, water, trash, pest control, landscaping, groundskeeping, exterior maintenance, 2 heated pools, and 2 spas. This home looks like a villa and lives like a single family, but is a condo. This is also one of the largest floor plans and private villas. Located along the shores of Sarasota Bay, the community is a beautiful tropical paradise with curving roads, lakes, lagoons, and large oak trees. This is a tropical paradise is ready for biking, kayaking, golf and much more. Next door is IMG Academy, known throughout the world for teaching famous athletes, including tennis greats Andre Agassi, and the Williams sisters. Also their beautiful golf course and BTC Tennis Club are located nearby. You are 10 minutes away from one of the fastest growing airports. Sarasota/Bradenton Airport, also known as SRQ. There is so much to do within 15 minutes. Downtown Sarasota with all the restaurants, weekend festivals, and boat excursions. Then the internationally famous Ringling Brothers Museum that has several venues, including the mini Luge that is located in Paris, collection from John Ringling, to Ca da Zan, House of John, beautiful mansion on Sarasota Bay. You are 15 minutes from one of the most